The four-wheel framework shows that sustainable performance depends on balance. Employee, customer, community, and company wellness are all connected. Just a vehicle cannot run on three wheels. Organizations cannot thrive when one area is neglected. Human sustainability is about strengthening the four-wheel framework. Each wheel represents an essential part of the organization's success. First, employee wellness, the energy, resilience, and engagement of people. Second, customer wellness, the quality of your service and the trust and loyalty you build. Third, community wellness, your broader impact and your license to operate and draw from communities. And fourth, company wellness, your leadership culture, your systems, and how work actually gets done or performed.